Let's learn the differences between present simple and present continuous. We use present continuous to talk about things happening right now. For example, be careful. The water is boiling. Be careful. The water is boiling. Or, let's go out. I'm getting hungry. Let's go out. I'm getting hungry. But if we use present simple to talk about things that are always true or happen regularly, like each week, every day, every Monday, for example. I always get hungry in the afternoons. It doesn't rain much in summer. We also use present continuous to talk about things that continue for only a very short time. For example, I'm living with some friends until I find a place of my own. It just continues for a very short time, but simple present is used to talk about things that continue for a long time. For example, my parents live in London. He works hard. We can also use present continues to talk about things that happen too often, and you are not happy about that. For example, I'm always losing my keys. He's always talking about himself. I'm not happy about that. For more exercises, click on the link below.